Friends, welcome to Import Export Federation. Here we are seeing different companies from different countries who are exhibiting their product. One of the important products for India also is coconut. So we are seeing one company from Sri Lanka. They are marketing their coconut products, and there are different coconut products. We will discuss with them what product they are offering here and how is the market. Welcome to Import Export Federation. Please tell us about your company and your product and about yourself.
We are the NDC Export Private Limited.
Okay.
And we are the largest manufacturer in Sri Lanka in the coconut milk at this moment.
Okay.
And we do virgin coconut oil, coconut milk in bulk, desiccated coconut, and also coconut milk powder.
So all coconut products basically.
All coconut products, yeah.
Okay. So you have manufacturing setup here.
Yeah, we are the manufacturer.
Which city in Sri Lanka?
In Pannala, near the Nigambu.
Well.
रुको इसी तरह मैं हर महीने दुबई मार्केट में जाता हूँ, इंडस्ट्री, प्रोडक्ट, बायर इनसे मिलता हूँ और मार्केट के ट्रेंड, डिमांड, सप्लाई समझता हूँ। ये सारा नॉलेज कैप्चर करके मैं वीडियो के माध्यम से आप सबको एजुकेट करता हूँ। इसी तरह आपको और वीडियो देखने हैं तो हमारा यूट्यूब मेंबरशिप ज्वाइन कीजिए। अगर ऑलरेडी किया है तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए।
Can you tell me which are the top running products?
Top selling product is a coconut milk in can.
Which is that? Can you show me? You have a sample?
Yes, we have the samples. Yeah, this.
Okay. Coconut milk. Okay. 100% vegan. Coconut milk, 400 ml. What is its price?
Prices depend on the quantities. And also we do the coconut milk powder. I think India is a very best market in the coconut milk powder.
Well, yes, coconut milk and coconut milk powder are the biggest product you are saying.
Yeah.
So these are coconut milk powder. If you see, I'm sure you must be having Indian competitors in this product also, right?
Yeah.
Well, so how do you find yourself against Indian products? I mean, India is also a very big coconut producer.
Okay.
So what is the difference in Indian product and your product?
These are the coconut milk powder is the 100% the coconut.
Okay.
100%
coconut. Yeah. But then India will also have this kind of product, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So can you tell me the general pricing for this powder and the milk?
Coconut milk powder $4.
$4.
Yeah.
Per
kg. Yeah.
It's a FOB. Right?
Yeah.
So coconut milk powder, you can see the $4 per kg FOB Sri Lanka, Colombo Port.
It's not fixed price.
You approximate price. So this is the one of the biggest running product. We can also see some other product like coconut flour.
And the virgin coconut oil. Yeah. Okay.
Can you show me that? This is the organic coconut flour. Organic means what exactly you mean by that? Is it harvested organically and then processed?
Yeah. Harvested in organic coconut.
Okay. So for what purpose this is used?
It's making the food ingredient. As a food ingredients, the coconut flour.
Okay. So coconut flour, you can see.
Okay.
Another big product which we see here in market. And this aseptic bag we are seeing.
Yeah.
What exactly is that for?
We do coconut milk and coconut water in bulk.
Okay. Coconut milk and coconut cream and coconut water in bulk. So this is the aseptic bag. So you have aseptic plant.
Yes.
So this kind of packaging is available in the market. You can see Indian people, or if other people they need this product from Sri Lanka, you can buy from this company. These are the good products. Right. You have a good demand for this?
Yes,
product also?
yes, yeah.
What packaging you get generally? This? What size
We
packaging?
do 20 liter, 10 liter, and 200 liter in drums.
Okay.
And 200 liter.
Great. That's great. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
for
thank
your
you. Thank you very much. Okay.